Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today is package day. In fact, today is super package day. This package comes into us from Chaz's Lock Picking, clear down in Texas, y'all. We're, down in Texas. Okay, anyway, let's go ahead and get this sucker open. Now this is a big, huge box, as you can see. I was not expecting something so large, and I hope that my lock was adequate for you, my friend. But I sent you what I had, brother. Anyway, here we go. Let's dig in and see what we got, shall we? Oh. We have an empty box. Empty box. Holy cow, man. This is why. Let's put it in another box. Look at that. That is absolutely massive. Alright. Let's see what we got in here. Out pops this Euro cylinder. It's a ERA. Number 17. Not sure whose that is yet. But, holy cow, y'all. Cool, lots of stuff. All right, got this nice Euro cylinder here. Got this. This is from Fast Charlie, called Bird on a Wire. Let's see what we got in here. I haven't picked a Fast Charlie for a little while. That'll be nice. This must have fallen out of here. Oh, this is the Punisher by Bilbo 81. See, oh, of course it's not made. That's alright though. I'll have to go ahead and dig us into this one, the Punisher. That sounds like a great challenge lock name. The Punisher. Alright. Next we have one by, looks like RC Friend. I'm not sure. Not sure there. This is UKP number 6. Not sure there. Holy cow, man. You got to be kidding me, bro. Holy mother of God. These keys, man. Those blanks he sent me. How fantastic is that? Huh. Everything a grown boy needs for being a locksmith. I tell you what. That is fantastic. That is just... Here's Chaz's number 5, Junkyard Dog. Cool. Excited to get into that one, man. This is number 6. Called Pure Evil. Great. Let's pull this one out because I got to see the bidding on this one. It's Pure Evil. This is the Pure Evil one. This is the. There's 2 keys on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm holding this up so you can see there's 2 keys there. And he made this into a challenge lock, y'all. So that is crazy. Let's see if you have to figure that one out somehow, aren't we? That would be interesting. That's this nice, beautiful eagle lock. That is beautiful, man. I'm not sure how old that sucker is, but that's got to have some years on it. A couple of Abises. Nice, a 7230. I don't think I've ever picked anything so small. And then we have a, what's this one? A 7240. Nice. A Baldwin lock. A Corbin Russman. Love it. Great bidding on that. A dimple lock. Shoot. Yeah, man. I need to practice on my dimple lock picking. That's great. Perfect. And another Baldwin. Cool. That was mine. Oh, don't want to forget this. This is a Bear's back. Like, man, the gifts never stop giving. Bear's back 22. Cool. pack lock nonetheless. Man, the keyway on that thing is just so wide open. That is incredible. So anyway, all the keys in there too. That's cool. So I think we finally made it through this mess of stuff here, y'all. Again, this is from Chaz's Lockpicking. This is K1 Lock saying, be safe, be legal, and be the lock.